Okay, let's give you guys some practice now. So use trigonometric substitution to integrate this. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this, create your triangle, your right angle triangle, in such a way that this is true. Well, if you set this to be 2x, and then set this to be 3, then the hypotenuse here must be the square root of this squared, 9 plus this squared, which will be 4x squared. So you can see that this thing here can be represented by this hypotenuse. Well, set up your triangle. What you okay? Set up your from this. Set up your triangle as this. That will then take you to here. That will then take you to here. By the way, you could make an argument where you could say, why not have this to be 3 and why not have this to be 2x? The hypotenuse will still be 9 plus 4x. You could put up this argument here, but the thing is, when you come to do this, you're going to have tan theta. So tan theta is this. So this is your theta. You're going to have tan theta equals 3 over 2x, and then you're trying to make x a subject here. You would then have to take the reciprocal of both sides. So that will then give you this. And then you see, it's easier to have, rather than working with x at the bottom here, it's easier to use this scenario where you have 2x over 3. You see, this is a lot easier to work with than this. You could also put up an argument where you, rather than using tan, why not use cotangent? Maybe you could, and you can investigate for yourself, but it's going to be a lot more. There's going to be a lot more work. So let's start again. We're trying to integrate this. Create a triangle in such a way that this statement is true. That will then give you this triangle here, and then from this, we're going to say let's tan theta be this divided by this divided by this, and then now differentiate. So from here, rearrange it to make x a subject, and then differentiate. So remember, when you differentiate tan theta, it gives you 1 over cos squared theta, which is the same as secant squared. Okay, well, from here, that will then take you to here. So that's one part done. Now from the triangle, we want to replace this now. If you look at this, this is the same as this. So we've done the first part. This part here is done. Now look at this here. Now look at this. So this here will be your secant. This here will be your secant. So let secant theta be this thing divided by this thing here. So secant theta equals this thing here times both sides by 3. That will then give you this. So now if you look at this, this is exactly the same as this. So we can just put this into here, and then the dx here, we can put the dx here into the dx here. Then this thing here will become this. Will become this. Okay. So now tidy this thing up. This is a constant. Take it out, and then you've got secant times secant squared. That will give you to the power of 3. Now it's just a matter of integrating this. Integrating this will be this, because we've done this thing here in the previous video. Okay, so if you integrate this, which we've done in the previous video, it will give you this. So now put this into here. Okay, so integrate this, it will give you this. So this whole thing here will then become this. Okay, and then right from the start we said let's tan theta be this, and let's secant theta be this. So now we can just put this back into the back into this block here, and then put this thing into this block here, and then we can do the same with this one here, and then we can do the same with this one here. So so this whole thing here will then become this. Okay, so now it's just a matter of tidying up. This cancels out with this, and then that will then give you your half, and then you've got the x here, this stays intact, and then this bit here is the same as this bit here, because you can factor out the third here. So in effect, you've got one block multiplying with another bubble here. So you've got one bubble here multiplying with another bubble. So remember, ln of a b, that's the same as ln of a plus ln of b. So ln the third here. Okay, so that, well, this whole thing here will then become this, because here you've got one bubble multiplying another bubble. So that will be this thing here, and then ln the third, and then ln the other bubble, which will be this thing here. So basically, this bit here is this bit here, just because ln a b equals ln of a plus ln of b, because here you've got one thing multiplying another thing. So in a way, this is your a, this here is your b. Well, this whole lot here will become this, and then so you've got one block plus this block plus this block plus this block here. That's what you've got. Well, this block here is just a constant. It's just a constant that you don't really care about. So merge this with the c here. So if you merge it with the c, then it becomes this. But by the way, we could have just left it as this, but then it's quite ugly. You want to tidy this thing up. So overall, our final answer would be this. Okay.